It's Ray from Best Contracting. Welcome to Tuesday Tips. So before we got here, there was a leak down in here. You can see where there's a leak here. And they thought it's possibly coming from the rubber, but as we're looking up through here, I'm pretty sure it may have been coming from up on top. When we took this off, there was 2 layers. As you see, there is no step flashing there. It's just regular flashing. So what we're going to do is we're going to put new step flashing up behind the siding. But I think the leak may have been started from here and then started coming down. You see it's black in there. It's a wall. You got to make sure that it's going up your wall maybe 6 inches, and then you got to flash it with counter flashing over top of that. Here what we're taking this rubber and we're going up over a foot as a minimum on this, because what can happen is your snow can build up and then ice and water or ice can build up and get behind your rubber if it's not up high enough.
So the takeaway here is to make sure your siding or your rubber roofing goes up your wall at least 6 inches to prevent any leaking.